In this video, we want to look at one more new topic, nucleotides and nucleosides. Now we see what exactly nucleotide is made up. There are microbiomolecules. Molecular weight is less. Their molecular weight is less. There are made up of three things. What are the things? Pentose sugar, nitrogen base and phosphoric acid. Many times this phosphoric acid written as phosphate. First one is pentose sugar. Name tell us. 5-carbon sugar. There are two types, ribose sugar and deoxyribose sugar. This one is the structure of ribose. It have two functional group. They have one oxygen and 4 carbon in the ring. One oxygen and 4 carbon in the ring. Outside only 5th carbon is presented. In the case of deoxyribose, the ring is same but one oxygen is less, deoxy. Here it have two functional HOH, here HOH. Second and third carbon having two functional group. It have only one functional group. Third one only having functional group. Then second one is nitrogen base. There are again two types, purine and pyrimidine. Purine are two, adenine and guanine. The symbol A, guanine for G. Pyrimidines are three, thiamine, uracil and cytosine. Thiamine are thymidine, uracil and cytosine. The symbol TUC. So nitrogen base, purine and pyrimidine. Purine have adenine and guanine. Pyrimidine have thiamine, uracil and cytosine. One more different. That pyrene have dicyclic component. Pyrimidine 6-member ring with 2 nitrogen and 4 carbon. It have 2 nitrogen. That first and third position having nitrogen, remaining 4 having that carbon. 4 carbon, 2 nitrogen. This one is the dicyclic component. It have 4 nitrogen, where that nitrogen is presented first, third, 7th and 9th. Here 4 nitrogen is presented. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 carbon is presented. This is the main difference between purine and pyrimidine. Purine have adenine, guanine. Pyrimidine have thiamine, uracil, cytosine. Then it has dicyclic component. It have monocyclic component. Purine base have 9-member double ring with 4 nitrogen and 5 carbon. This one monocyclic ring, 2 nitrogen is presented. Let's see what exactly nucleotide is made of. Pentose sugar, nitrogenous base and phosphoric acid. Pentose sugar either ribose sugar or deoxyribose sugar. Nitrogenous base purine or purine and pyrimidine. Purine, adenine, guanine. Pyrimidine means uracil, cytosine and thymine. In the case of RNA means uracil and cytosine. In the case of DNA means cytosine and thiamine. Third one is phosphoric acid. Nitrogen base attached during this reaction, OH group is gone. Carbon number 1 of pentose sugar, any nitrogen base, it may be either purine or pyrimidine, is going to attach by bond formation. Here bond formation will occur. That name is called glycosidic bond. Carboxylic group and hydroxy group bond formation takes place. That bond formation is called ester bond. Here we are writing phosphoester bond here because here phosphate group will attach. That fifth carbon here OH group, here phosphate group will attach. It is called as phosphoester bond. It attached one more phosphate is called as phosphodiester bond. Here only one phosphate group attached means phosphoester bond. One more phosphate will attach means phosphodiester bond. Phosphoric acid, that carbon number 1 nitrogen base either purine or pyrimidine will attach. That time this OH group is gone during the bond formation. Okay, that bond formation name is called as glycosidic bond. Here OH group, that fifth carbon number, here one phosphate group will attach. One phosphate group attachment phosphoester bond, two phosphate attachments phosphodiester bond. So how these three things join to form nucleotide? Our pentose sugar, ribose or deoxyribose, nitrogen base attached to carbon number 1. During this reaction, OH is gone. Bond is formed here. Bond is known as glycosidic bond. Phosphate group attached to phosphoester bond. One more phosphate group attached means phosphodiester bond. Let's see difference between nucleotide and nucleoside. Nucleotides, pentose sugar combined with nitrogen base and phosphoric acid. It has pentose sugar, nitrogen base and phosphoric acid. Here it have pentose sugar and nitrogen base, no phosphoric acid. No phosphoric acid we will call nucleosides. Phosphoric acid is present, that means nucleotide. No phosphoric acid means nucleosides. Here fifth, that OH group is free. This is pentose sugar, no carboxylic group, so they are slightly basic in nature. Now we write down the name of nitrogen base, pentose sugar, that plus nitrogen base here adenine means that nucleosides given name is adenosine. Pentose sugar combined with guanine, that nucleosides given name guanosine. Pentose sugar combined with cytosine, that name cytidine. Pentose sugar plus thymine, that name thymidine. Pentose sugar plus uracil, uridine. Name also different from purine and pyrimidine. This is nucleotide, pentose sugar, nitrogen base plus phosphoric acid. Here that carbon number 5 attached with a phosphate group. This is structural different, but they are different in their nature also. Due to the presence of phosphoric acid, it is slightly acidic in nature. Nucleotide will be called pentose sugar plus phosphoric acid plus adenosine. Adenine, it have that name adenylate acid. Pentose sugar, phosphoric acid plus guanosine. Guanine, that name is called as guanylic acid. These two are purine component. Now pyrimidine component, pentose sugar, phosphoric acid plus thiamine. Name is called as thiamidialic acid. Pentose sugar, phosphate group plus cytosine. That name is called as cyclic acid. Pentosugar plus phosphate group plus uracil name is called as uridylic acid. These five are nucleotides. These five are nucleosides. These five are nucleotides. So we have five different nucleosides and nucleotides: adenosine, guanosine, cytidine, thymidine and uridine. These are the names comes under nucleosides. Nucleotides: pentosugar, phosphoric acid plus adenine. Name is called adenylic acid, guanylic acid, thymidyllic acid, cytidyllic acid and uridylic acid. They attached only sugar. Name is different when they attached phosphoric acid or phosphate group. Different name. Both are biomolecules, micro level. Both are less molecular weight, but many nucleotide combine polymerase we get nucleic acid kept under macromolecules.